Hello, people. This is Carla from the Learn English by Speaking English show on the Speak English Foundation page on Facebook. And I am here today teaching you or coaching you to begin teaching people around you English online. We do need software for this, and you have a choice of software. The software I prefer for my show is Zoom. The reason I like Zoom is because, one, I can see everyone who is here on screen very easily, and I can bring people in and remove people as I feel fit, and it's very easy to look at people. It also is very easy to integrate it with Zoom and Facebook, and I have no problems with it. Now, what I do need to suggest to you, Zoom is not free. If you wanted to do something for free, you would download it, you would do your class, and then post it online. If you want to do it online, you need to pay for Zoom. As far as the other software, you can also use Streamyard, which is good, but it's a little more complicated as far as sharing out. It's less complicated to share out, excuse me. Zoom is a little more complicated because I need to go back and share it out to my timeline and other pages. Whereas Streamyard, you can just share out very easily when you set it up. Again, you need to pay for that service, but it is cheaper than Zoom. The problem with Streamyard that I find is that in Streamyard, you have a backstage, and you bring people in, and you need to learn how to deal with the backstage. And you're limited to the people that you can bring in. But either one can work. They're very good programs, and I suggest you check them out if you want to teach or promote an online English program. And with that, we will go on to the next class, which is how to use Zoom. And I look forward to meeting you there.